So I'm here with Brian, and we're just going to ask him a few questions. So Brian, what triggered you to begin your Fix Me journey?
Sure. First thing was my hip. I had some lower hip problems, and just always had lower back pain. I've never been the skinniest guy, but I knew that getting stronger started with feeling better to get there. I couldn't do it on my own. Of keep going to the gym, keep feeling hurt all the time. I feel like I had gone to chiropractors in the past, but they'd never been really, in my opinion, effective. And the way you were doing the same workouts I was doing, and you weren't hurt. You were showing up, and you were always able to perform what I thought was better. So I'm like, well, if that's what you're doing, that's what I want to try to do.
And what mission, job, or task were you hoping to accomplish or get done if you had solved like the hip pain and lower back pain?
Well, the mission's always been to be the most physical fit that I can be for myself. The journey has been a long one. I think I've been coming here 18 months, almost 2 years now. The pain is gone. I think I'm rarely, if ever, am I sick. So I'm a huge believer now that if I'm aligned, if I show up once a week, that the illness will stay away. Everybody else has been getting COVID and colds over the last 6 months. I haven't been sick at all.
Awesome.
So I think the journey is a long one. Now we've also taken it into a little more than just alignment. We're doing blood draws. We're doing things like that to look at my body chemistry. And another, there's a celebrity out there that I listen to as well, Dana White from the UFC.
Right.
He was in really bad shape, in a fog a lot. And he went to someone similar as you and started doing a different sort of evaluation on his body. And he said, I'll never go back to a doctor again unless it's for a physical, surgery or something like that.
Exactly. So what pains did you have with other solutions? So like if you tried other stuff for the hip pain, low back pain, basically the problem that got you in here, basically where else did you look for help before that has failed you in the past?
I'd say the biggest one was a different chiropractor, but they didn't really practice what you do.
Yeah.
That was really about it. And if I'm being honest, I didn't believe in anybody before I met Axiom.
Yeah.
You and Meg. I mean, not only are my client, I'm a believer in the system that you have set up.
Awesome. So I think we already hit on this a little bit, but what was your personal selfish reason and desire or your real motivation to get help?
There's not a lot of 300-pound 90-year-olds.
Yeah.
That's the desire. Someone said that to me probably about a year ago, and I think it's starting to resonate. I have a 13-year-old son, just to show him a better way. Those are probably the two biggest things.
What did we make happen here together? So not just what have I done for you, but us working together, what have we created?
Well, we've created, I think we've created a body that's more resilient to the workouts I do. We've created a mental change, looking at health as a more complete thing. I think we've also created some resiliency, not just physically, but mentally. So those are the biggest things.
And the last question, what message would you want to send somebody else with that same mission, same motivation to solve those similar problems?
Open your mind. You have to check your ego of what you think is. We hear a lot of things in mainstream media about every other commercial is a weight loss drug. There's no pill that's going to get you there. It's only going to take perseverance. And I'm the first one to tell you, no pill. There's no easy solution. And it's not a straight line, right? The path to that success isn't a straight line. So the process is what it is, and you have to be patient with it.
Awesome. Yeah. Well, thank you, Brian. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Appreciate you.